Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here from 10 Minute Trades, and I want to show you this week's Trade of the Week. Bank of England's official rate statement was a monster, but the catch was you had to have taken the trap trade setup. Let me show you. As you know, we have a DMM, Daily Market Mover, a report that shows our members how to trade. We had a breakout trade up here, and we had a trap trade, alternate setup. The trap trade was incredible. The breakout trade made money, but watch what happened with the trap trade. We had tiers of 50 ticks and 70 ticks. With a trap trade, if the price goes up, we sell the market. If the price goes down, we buy the market. And what we're expecting to happen is for changes in direction. So watch what takes place. The Bank of England, they raised their interest rate 50 basis points. It was unexpected. It was expected 25 basis points. The price shoots up, goes through both our tiers, fills us short on the downside, right? We're short. Anyone who took this trade got filled short. You could move your targets up, okay? And move your stop to safety. You could combine your orders if you want to as price continues down. Now move your stop out of the way. Price is continuing down. You could move your first target, get it into a profit area. You could see the price chops around a lot on these bank statements. All you had to do is be patient with this trade, and it's going to go through. Watch what happens. Bingo, goes through your orders there. Easy $500 on that trade. The key was people who took the trap trade made the big money. The breakout worked, but the big money was in the trap trade, and the Bank of England, two winners on one DMM. That's our trade of the week for this week. Leigh Goldstein, signing out for 10 Minute Trades. I'll see you in the trade room for next week's Trade of the Week. The Bank of England, rate statement inflation report.